If your disappointment in someone is more controlling than your desire to help them, you will not be a good disciple maker. How you think about others will determine the quality of the soul care that you provide for them. One of the most important keys to remember regarding discipleship is that all of your disciple making falls within a speck fishing parameter. Let me explain. Jesus said it this way: you have the log in your eye and they have the speck in theirs. This idea about the log and the speck is an oft repeated truth that can lose its significant force because of our familiarity with it. A helpful way to see if it has lost its practical relevance in your life is by answering a few biblically based diagnostic questions. Here are 3 of those questions. Do you consider yourself better than the person who needs your input? Does your soul care for your family members have a looking down on them feel to it? Are you impatient toward those who have yet to arrive where you are or do not see things your way?